Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Incarnation. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way in 2025 to turn your PDF invoices into editable Excel spreadsheet using Lido. Ever wonder how to convert PDF to Excel from Google Drive? Look no further. Simply upload your PDF file to your Google Drive and Lido will handle the rest, saving you hours of manual work. Whether you're managing invoices or inventory list, this method streamlines your workflow effortlessly. Before we jump into Lido, make sure that your Google Drive folder is set up correctly. First, you need to make sure that you have shared the folder that you want to extract invoices with files at the lido.app and grant editing permissions. To do that, simply click on the folder, click on Share, and simply share it with files at the lido.app. This step is crucial to allow Lido to access and process your documents. Simply click on Share, and that's it. Once you log into Lido, you will see a dashboard like this. The very first step is to make sure that the Google Drive folder is set up correctly in Lido so that we can connect to the Google Drive. So for that, you need to go to Connections. On the left hand side, you can see Connections. Simply click on that. You simply need to click on New Connection. Once this pop-up will appear, you need to scroll down until you find Google Drive. Simply click on Google Drive and connect Lido to Google Drive. And simply select that email that you want to connect to Lido. Once you can see successfully connected to Google Drive, you can simply click on Update. And here you can see the Google Drive is connected to Lido. You can simply go to Files, create a new file. Once you're on the spreadsheet, simply go to Tools, click on Data Extractor. Here you can see there are three tabs. The first one is Upload, where you can simply click and upload the PDF, image or document that you want to process. Next is Google Drive, and the third one is Email. You need to simply select on the Google Drive, and here you can see click to select the Google Drive folder. Once you click on this, you just need to select the Google Drive folder that you want to extract data from. In our case, that is invoices demo, and simply click on select. One of the best feature of Lido is its intelligence data extraction. You can always edit the columns. If you want product to be called as product name, just edit it. It will be reflected here. And if you want to move around the columns, for example, you want the description column to be at the last, you can simply click on it and move it to the right. And the same will be updated here in the columns tab. Once you are happy with all the files that you want to extract and all the columns that you want in your data, as well as the extra instructions that you want to keep, you can simply click on extract. Once you click on extract, Lido will take care of everything. This is the data that we have extracted. If you go back to Lido, you can see that we have the 10 line items and the data is extracted exactly the same that we want. The description is the last column and we have removed the dollar symbol from the unit price. Once Lido has processed your PDF, exporting is a breeze. Simply click on the File button, and once you click on Export Values to Excel, there you go. This final step transforms your PDF data into fully editable format, ready for the further analysis or reporting. To recap, here is what we have covered today. Share a Google Drive folder with files at the lido.app with editing permissions. Remember, you cannot double click or search for your folder in Lido. Instead, you can try to rename it to bring it to the top. Let Lido's intelligent tool auto-populate your invoice data and use the extra instructions column only if needed. Toggle on extract multiple rows per document for multi-line PDF and finally export your data in your desired format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share it with others. And check out the pinned comments for a special link to sign up for Lido. It really helps support the channel. Thank you for watching, happy converting, and I'll see you in the next video.